everyone. Yep, I'm in my in my bath towel, but I just really wanted to introduce you to my next secret product, and it's the perfect time because I'm getting ready to use it. For those of you all that have already watched my super secret, which is my Ultimate Body Applicator, or that body wrap that I showed you, I talked briefly about how I maintain my wrap results and enhance them through another secret product of mine, which is the Defining Gel. And I'm actually getting ready to use it because that's my secret. I use Defining Gel every single day after I shower while my pores are still open. You know, even when I haven't wrapped for months, I'm using this Defining Gel because it pretty much has the same exact ingredients but not as strong. So it's not working as fast as the wrap, but it helps to maintain it so I don't have to wrap for the rest of my life. I put this stuff everywhere. I put it on my thighs, you know, preventative care for cellulite. It's great for stretch marks. It's great for brightening tattoos. If you have like any colored tattoos that are old, it'll brighten those. Wonderful for eczema, psoriasis. But one of the things that I love and that I know a lot of girls are gonna love is that this Defining Gel actually can be your breast lift in a bottle. So I run out of this stuff like every month, but I put this stuff on my breasts in a circular motion, and it literally helps lift them. Some people actually use the body wrap on their breasts to kind of do a breast lift, but I think that if you haven't started to lose it all, this is going to really help to keep them tight. I've definitely noticed a difference. Just perky, you know, because I don't always want to wear a bra, and I'm in the itty bitty club, so it's fine. So that's a secret for that. I also, you know, love using it on my thighs. And I literally just lather up in it every single day. The recommendation is to use it before you put on any type of lotion or cream, because it's a gel. It's a cooling gel, and so it'll go in the pores first, and then you'll just put your regular moisturizer. Also, some people use this on acne. I don't really have any really bad, like fine acne. I get bumps here and there, but I've never tried it, but people do use it. So, you know, definitely check it out. I'm going to be doing a special video on a mask that we actually use the Defining Gel in the green supplement that I told you about with all those nutrients mixed together. And I've done that before, and it gives really, really great results. So look for that one day soon. Just want to give you another one of my secrets. I'm getting ready to get dressed and get my day started. Have a good one.